Hello friends, this is Dr. Umesh Kumar Arya, Faculty of Media Studies. In this presentation, we would learn some very nice and creative ways to save our data online. Friends, just go to jumbofiles.com. This is a very good online data storage hosting website. It has certain very nice features like free 500 GB account to store your files. It means the maximum limit of the free account is 500 GB, which is quite large, and 1 GB maximum per file. It means you can upload a file of 1 gigabyte maximum. Resumable downloads: if you download these files and the connection breaks off, then it will be resumed from that very point. And download accelerator allowed and fully supported. No daily hourly download limits. It means you can go on downloading and uploading as you want. And it says that we don't block users by country. Everyone can use jumbofiles.com and it is totally free. Split archives are also allowed. No waiting for downloads to start. No timer, no countdown. And you don't have to enter the captcha codes like 123 or some other letters in order to verify that you are a human being accessing the network. And no need to install anything to download the files. Friends, this is a very convenient and advanced version of online data storage. For example, if you open the website, it will open like this. Straight away I can upload my file. If I have to make it public, I will choose the file which is to be uploaded, and for example, this one is the file. Click the advanced option. Advanced option, they show you some of the very good options, like you can specify the recipient's email and the link password. For example, I don't want to share this file to many people, only one of the recipient should open it, and that also with the password. Then I will type the email address of the recipient along with the password. This is the password I set, and I will upload the file. Yeah, the file has been uploaded, and this is the download link. This is the full link, and if you want to delete the file, then this is the delete link. And if I go to my email, like I sent the file to my email, so it is saying that somebody sent you these files using jumbofiles.com dedicated hosting, and I can click on this download link. If I click on this, so it will ask for the password, so I will enter the password and I will submit it. This is the file, which is a photo sent by somebody to my account using the password feature, and I opened it secretly. So friends, this was one of the ways in which you can manage your data online and share it with somebody. The another aspect is that you sign up for your 500 GB account free, and then you can have some more services, of course the free of cost, and you can manage your data further well. For example, if I log in, if I enter my password, so this is my account, and I don't have any files uploaded on my account as yet, so I will upload the file. Again the process is the same. Upload. Now the file has been uploaded. There are many features or many options which are available to play with this file. This is the tiny link to this file and this is the full link. And if you want this file to be made public, then just select it and press public selected. You can create some folders also. For example, to create new folder, I will have to write the name like doc files. Now this folder has been created, which is known as the doc file. You can move these files or the single file to the doc file by selecting this. So friends, there are many options. It is advisable that you upload some dummy files and just play with the different options which are here, and then just be acquainted what are the services that Jumbo Files is giving to you. There are many more features of Jumbo Files, and you can save your data online, 500 GB maximum, which is fair enough. And enjoy the jumbofiles.com. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.